Hello students, today I am going to explain you experiment number 23 to identify unknown unorganized drug with the help of physical and chemical test. In that we are going to do testing of two categories, that is lipids and resins. In lipids, beeswax, and resins, example is benzoin and myrrh. Now first, what are lipids and what are resins? Already we have discussed this in our lecture. Lipids, these are the substances of animal, plants origin and comprises of fixed oils, fats and waxes. Its function is of oils and fats is to storage of energy, and they are also used in medicine and industry. Whereas resins are amorphous products of complex chemical nature. Amorphous mixture of essential oil, oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acids, which are found as exudation from the trunk of the various trees. Okay, so already I have explained you in this in lecture also. Now in this practical we are going to do physical and chemical test of the three drugs. So first is the lipid category. In that we are going to do chemical test of the beeswax and physical test of this drug. Okay, what is the synonym of this drug? It is also called as the beeswax or mane. Okay, biological source, beeswax is obtained from the honeycomb of the bees, Apis mellifera, and other species of apis belonging to family Apidae. The wax is secreted by the worker bee in the last four segments of the abdomen and excreted through the pores. The young worked bees utilize the wax in the construction of the comb. Okay, now we'll see the physical taste of this drug. Color is yellow or yellowish brown. Odor is agreeable and honey-like. Taste is don't have any taste. And solubility, it is insoluble in water, soluble in hot alcohol, ether, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, fixed and volatile oils. Now we'll go for the chemical taste of this drug. So first I will show you the drug. Okay, then we will go for the drug tasting. Okay, here you can see I have prepared a table for the physical and chemical test of this drug. Okay, now here you can see this is a beeswax. Okay, this is solid beeswax and this is crushed one. I have did a crush of this beeswax for the testing of this drug. Okay, so we'll go for the chemical test. First chemical test, you have to take a wax plus you have to add sodium hydroxide and then you have to heat it and then acidify with the acid. So no turbidity is found, that means beeswax is present. Okay, so this is a drug I am taking in a test tube. Now we have to add sodium hydroxide. Okay, then we have to add after heating you can see the beeswax get melted. Now we have to cool it and then we have to add acid. Now I am adding acid, dilute hydrochloric acid. After addition of this hydrochloric acid, you can see there is no turbidity found in the test tube. Okay, that means beeswax is present. Now we will go for the next drug, that is myrrh. Its synonym is gum myrrh, bole and myrrha. Okay, biological source, myrrh is a gum resin obtained from the stem of Combifera molmol and family Burseraceae. Color is, it is reddish brown with rough, dull and dusty surface. Odor, it has an agreeable aromatic odor. It has a bitter and acrid but no pleasant taste. Okay, so we'll go for the chemical test. First you have to saturate it with water. It forms a yellowish emulsion. And second, I will explain you afterwards. Here you can see this is the original drug myrrh and here you can see this is a powder form of this myrrh. Okay, so we have to take this sample and you have to add water and you have to form a emulsion. Okay, so I have taken some part of this drug, powder drug, then I am adding water to it and then triturating it. Here you can see a emulsion has formed. Okay, that means smear is present. Yellowish emulsion has formed. Now second test, we have to take the meat plus we have to add ether and then we have to shake it and filter it. Okay, after filtration we have to evaporate the filtrate in china dish. A thin film will be of resin will form in the dish. To that we have to pass a bromine and or nitric acid. Okay, deep violet color is produced. That means smear is present. Okay, so I have taken sample in the test tube. Okay, to that I am going to add ether. Now we have to filter it. Okay, this filtrate we have to evaporate in china dish. Now we have to evaporate this filtrate and then we have to add nitric acid or bromine. Here you can see deep violet color is produced. That means mir is present. Third drug is benzoin. Its synonym is Sumatra benzoin and gum benzoin. Biological source, benzoin is a balsamic resin obtained from the Styrax benzoin. Diran or Styrax parallonurus and Perkins and other species of Styrax known in the market as Sumatra benzoin. Or it may also contain the balsamic resin from Styrax tokincin and other species. Commercially it is known as Siam benzoin. Family is Styraceae. Okay, so we'll go for the physical and chemical test. Sumatra benzoin, its color is grayish brown or grey. Odor is aromatic characteristic. Taste is sweetish and slightly yellow, slightly acrid. It occurs in the form of lumps of varying sizes or tears. Tears are externally yellowish, milk white, and the surface is uneven. When heated, fumes of benzoic and cinnamic acids are produced. Whereas second, Siam benzoin, its color is yellowish brown to rusty brown. Odor is agreeable and vanilla-like. Taste, it is sweetish and slightly acrid. It occurs as hard and brittle masses. When heated, it is softened and becomes plastic. Okay, so we'll go for the chemical test. Here you can see I have prepared a table for the chemical test of the benzoin. Okay, so first we have to take sample plus alcohol, we have to shake it and then we have to add water. Solution becomes milky and mixture is acidic to the solution. That means benzoin is present. Here you can see this is sample of benzoin. Okay. Okay, so I am taking sample of this benzoin. Okay, then we have to add alcohol. Okay, then we have to add water. Here you can see a milky white solution has prepared. Okay, now we have to check it with the litmus paper. It is acidic to litmus. Benzoin is present. Okay, third test we have to take sample in the test tube. Then we have to add ether. Now decant the solution into the test tube, another test tube. Okay, and to that we have to add sulfuric acid. After addition of sulfuric acid, here you can see a deep reddish brown color has produced. That means Sumatra benzoin is present. Okay, thank you.